Hey guys, this is Dan at Yourpbfriend.com. We have the new Bob Long VIS with the spool engine. We're going to do a Bob Long spool engine efficiency test for you right now. We have the LPR set up on this gun at 50 and the high pressure reg is set at about 160. It's shooting 280 over the chrono. We have a tank, if you want to look real quick. A tank. It's at a 3,000 fill on a 6845. There you go. And this thing's just out of the box. This is my personal gun. Just got it in from Bob Long and threw the spool engine in it. And we're gonna shoot it and see what we're doing. We're shooting it on a PSP capped at 12.5. So here we go. We'll take with the first pod. Alright, there we go. We just started getting drop off. Still shooting. Alright, there we go. Let's take a pod. As you can see, the gun was kind of stuttering. I've been having problems with this spire not feeding consistently with the sound. Must need to mess with the settings, but let's see what we got left. We have 3/4 of a pod left. Let's see, what was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8.25 off of a 3,000 fill. I used a Ninja Pro rag that was set to 550 PSI, and this is the Bob Long Spool. You can get them at Yourpbfriend.com.